Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Techvideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to convert video to MP3, using Android phone, so keep watching and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First go to Play Store. Then search MP3 video converter. I will recommended this software. Click on this option. Then click on Install button. You can see it's downloading. Wait few seconds for downloading. Now download process has been completed. Click on the Open button. I want to convert this video. So click on this video. Change format. Cut video duration if you want, use this option. Click on the info option. You can change your video title. Artist. Add album name. Album artist name. Then click on OK button. Finally click on Convert option. You can see it's converting. Wait few seconds for complete converting. Thanks for watching. Would you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends want to know how to convert video to MP3.